Good day, everyone. Today we are going to explore the fantastic period in our history, the pre-colonial Philippines. Before the arrival of foreigners, our ancestors had already developed organized societies which culture, tradition, and trade network. Understanding this era allows us to appreciate how advanced and diverse our early Filipino communities were. Let's begin. Indigenous societies and governance. During this period, during the pre-colonial period, early Filipinos lived in small but well-organized barangays. Each barangay was led by the dato, who acted as the chief ruler. The dato was responsible for leadership, lawmaking, and protecting the communities. These societies followed traditional customary laws which were passed down orally. Disputes were solved through a council of elders and agreements like the Sanduruan or Blood Compact, which symbolized unity and alignment among leaders. Let's proceed. Cultural practices of early Filipino communities. Our ancestors had a rich cultural identity. They told epic stories like Hunhun of the Ifugao and Biag Nilamang of the Ilocano, which were passed down through generation. Religion was primarily animistic, meaning Filipinos worship nature, spirit, and such as Bathala for the Tagalogs and Kambunian for the Igorots. They perform ritual led by spiritual leaders called Baybaylags. Filipinos were also skilled in tattooing, weaving or pottery, and metalwork, showcasing their creativity and crafts. And also in indigenous societies and governance. Sino pa na yan? Trade and social structures. Even before foreign influence, the Philippines was already engaged in international trade. Filipinos traded with China, India, and Middle East, and neighboring Southeast Asia nation. They exchanged goods such as gold, pearls, spices, and textiles. Social classes in pre-colonial society included Marinao, the ruling class, including datos and their families. Timawa, free citizens who work as warriors, farmers, or artisans. Alipin. The servant class, which is divided into aliming mamahay. Ethnic diversity across the archipelago. The Philippines is an archipelago with over 7,000 islands, leading to diverse mix of the ethno-linguistic groups. Some of the major groups include Tagalog, Ilocano, and Kapampangan in Luzon. In Visayas naman, Waray and Hiligaynon in the Visayas, Moro, Lumad, and Subanen in Mindanao. Despite the different language and traditions, these groups share common values like bayanihan, community, respect for elders, and strong. In conclusion, the pre-colonial Philippines was far from primitive. Our ancestors had structure, societies with rich traditions at economic, and cultural diversity. Learning Learning about this period help us appreciate our heritage and recognize the resilience of the Filipino people. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope discussion was your appreciation for our country past. Thank you and mabuhay.